tayo. Gusto mo muna kumain? To light. Dito ako ngayon sa Santa Monica Pier. Ako ng picture. Ganda, diba? Yung mga rides sa likod niya. Mamaya sasakay tayo dyan. Meron din palang kailangan ng bike. Ganda rito, grabe, lawak ng ng beach nila. Yung mga rides, so yun grabe Napakasakit, pero sasakyan natin yan. Ayan. Ay, papatrol. Grabe, lawak, ang ganda yung beach. Dun. Walang bumagsak ang ibon.
Dito tayo. Sa swimming dito.
Siyempre, wala. Sige lang, go. Gana naman ako eh. Dami. Tara man, dito man. Ayan na, ayun sa loob. Ayan na. Kaya mo tayo gutom naman. Ikaw gutom? Ano ba gusto mo? May burger, Japanese restaurant. Ito, hotdog, gusto mo? Hindi natin nag-ano ron.
Ayoko na ng churros
Churros? Bakit? Di mo nagustuhan? Bakit? Talaga? Alam ko nagustuhan mo yan.
Now, Santa Monica, now we're gonna see this moment, and we're gonna see this moment very, very humble.
Ate Marco, meron
I know
dito.
with my boys, we dance in the street, but we don't live in the street. This is how we make it honest living. And we know, for the experience, as soon as we finish the show, as soon as my boy Tyler takes this jump, everybody's gonna record the grand finale and then just walk away. Why? Because it's a street shows, and that's how it goes. So that's why we know that this is the perfect moment for me and my boys, for us to come around and collect our tips. Yes, Santa Monica, we're working for tips only. If you don't carry any cash on you, that's okay. Don't leave. Don't panic. We're not gonna get ugly, and we're not gonna pressure you for money. We're not like that. I say, if you don't have money, don't leave, damn it. Ladies, don't talk to them. They're broke, okay? Here we go. Now, Santa Monica, like I said, the city of Santa Monica don't pay us. Actually, we pay them to perform. So if you guys like the show, take the show. Good show. Whatever you got on these next for 6 dancers, how much you guys will pay? Let's say maybe like $20. If somebody today gave us 20, thank you. We're not gonna get rich, but today you guys gonna let us know that me and my boys, we did a good job. You don't have a 20, that's okay. We understand that. Maybe you guys can help us with 10. We take it. If you don't have 10, maybe you guys can help us with 5. Now, if you guys don't carry cash, but you guys really want to help us, and you only have electronic like Venmo or Cash, we also will have that as well. Alright? So at this moment, if you guys have a donation for us, please hold it up in the air so we can see and we can... Yo, give it up for Oregon one more time, yo. Give it up for Oregon in the house. Oregon, it's the last gift. What's that, Yuri? Last gift. Warriors.
Namin churros? Alin? Ah, glasses ba siya sabi mo? Dad, ay may kainan din doon, oh, yun, ang gusto mo ron, ayun, oh.
Restaurant din.
Oo nga. Ano gusto mo? Dito. Ha? So maglaro? Tingnan natin kung magkano. Ito malo. Tingnan natin to. Sabi. Saan? Ito lang, 2 shot. Pasok, dalawa na. 3 shots eh. Dalawa. Pang-apat na yun ah. $10. May isa pa siya. Oh. Grabe man. Ay! Bagong rage yun oh. Ayun, di ba wala yun yung parang Angkor sa way no? Wala. Ah, tara, dyan tayo, no? Yan yung presyo. $12, oh. 50, no? Tuwalin, 30 daw. Sinangaling, eh, no? $15 West Coaster, oh. Yes, yes. Ano gusto mo sakyan? Yung roller coaster, tara. Tara. Oh, ito, eh. Nakatawa to, eh.
Baka, pinipicture mo siya.
Hindi. Napaganto eh. Video natin yung naman tayo. Pag nalaglag to, sira. Kasi nakalagod, wala naman dyan ano yun, no? Ay, ticket pala mo. Tama sa akin. Edi wala.
It's safe, right?
Just. Dapat meron phone holder eh, no? No? Oh, dito. Mukha pagkatapos ng rides na.
So, hindi ka natakot?
Hindi, nakakatakot
Sige
dun.
nga, dun nga tayo sa sinasabi ng Itang Six Flags. Yun
Saan?
talagang umikit.
Ay, ayoko nun. Hindi na tayo bata para doon. Hindi parang mas mura dito. Ay, hindi ganun din. Ganun din, no? $40 na para sa burger, no? Grabe.
Nagpa-picture siya nga.
Hindi. Kung may ganito, ay di kumain doon.
Kala ko dito.
Doon kasi tayo nila.
No, dito tayo man.
Dito, na.
Doon ba yun?
Oo.
So, doon tayo nag-park?
Hanggang makalabas lang. Kaya nga eh. Ay, bumili sila ng ano. Tawag doon? Ha?
Hindi ko.
Hindi mo lang.
Dito tayo labas.
Kaya nga, ayaw mo rito kanina.